was really great to be invited by the BCB group to talk about interoperability at Money 2020. So as we know, interoperability is the seamless exchange of data and functionality between two different systems. And actually interoperability is going to play a really key and pivotal role in the kind of success of blockchain. What we need to make sure is that when we're thinking about building kind of new blockchain products and services, that these systems talk to one another. Otherwise, we end up in a situation where there's fragmented liquidity. But it's not just from a technology perspective that we need to be thinking about this. From a regulatory perspective as well, we want to make sure that regulators around the world are communicating with each other so that we're not creating regulation in silos. And from a customer perspective, it's been really great to see how Ripple have been taking interoperability really seriously. We know that our customers want to be able to send cross-border payments fast, cheap, and just essentially they get delivered with certainty. And combining old systems with new systems such as blockchain and being able to do that in a seamless customer experience is really important for our customers and just the broader industry more generally. I've been at Ripple now for 7 years. We started, the company's been going now for over 12 years. And, originally we started out by building a payment product, really solving for the pain points around being able to deliver payments with certainty at a cost efficiency in mind, but also just making sure that payments happen instantly. And so we built a cross-border payment product that leverages XRP and the XRP ledger to be able to do that for our customers. And we provide a single API that allows financial FinTech companies to be able to do that, to send cross-border payments instantly. Now we're starting to expand our products and services. So we're now very much focused on building an end-to-end platform for banks, financial institutions to build a digital asset business. Last year, we announced our acquisition of Metaco for $250 million. And custody is a really key piece of infrastructure when you want to build on digital assets. And so, what we're seeing is Ripple are starting to expand into other products and services like tokenization, liquidity, to really provide that end-to-end life cycle from a product perspective. What's really exciting is that a lot of our bank customers on the custody side, such as HSBC and SocGen, they're actually thinking about leveraging tokenization at the core of their growth plan. So we're expecting kind of more stories around custody and tokenization to really come out in the next few months. Yeah, so we are just about to open our Geneva office in Switzerland, which we're really excited about. The majority of our growth from an organizational perspective is happening in Europe. So we anticipate that the number of people that we have working for Ripple is going to expand. We continue to invest in our custody product on the back of the acquisition. In addition to that, because of the regulatory framework from a MiCA perspective being, helping create certainty around kind of the digital asset ecosystem in Europe, we see this as a really important region for us because actually the majority of our customers are either based here or in Asia Pacific. More customer acquisition, enhancing our products and services, making sure that customer centricity is the heart of everything we do, and really kind of seeing that customer growth journey is something that we're really excited about here. I'm very fortunate. So I actually used to play for Ipswich Town when I worked at Ripple in my early few years here. So I'm very fortunate that I worked for an employer that was, that really took kind of my work-life balance seriously. And it can be quite challenging, right? So we're at conferences all the time, eating, making sure that you're training appropriately is challenging. But actually some of those skills that you learn early on in terms of creating, teams and cultures and, I guess, being competitive in nature, I think those are really great transferable skills that can help in kind of a leadership journey. It's very useful when you're building new products and service and at the cutting edge of innovation like we are at Ripple.